let me show you how to do real-time polls on your product images using PickFu. So what you're going to do is you're going to go over to PickFu, create an account, get an API key, and from there you can come to Jarvio and say, I want to do a poll via PickFu. What that's going to do is it's going to look through the skills and it should find our PickFu image poll skill. Okay, so we don't have a credential in Jarvio, so I'm going to get an API key and paste it in here, which Jarvio will then store securely. Okay, and now Jarvio wants me to give it 2 images for the poll, so let's go onto Amazon and find some image that could do with improving. Okay, so good category here. I found this, which is creatine gummies, and we've got this guy here, which leaves a bit to be desired. You'll see that some of the best sellers here show the gummies beside the creatine gummies packet. So yeah, let me pick one here that could be improved. You can see that this is all best in category. Yeah, let's pick these guys. I'm going to take the ace in here, start a new chat with Jarvio, and say, create new main images, create a new main image for this, showing the gummies outside of the container, like the best competitors do. Okay, and now we have our response. So we have the original main image, which is here. Let me just drop this into a new tab so we can see it easier. And then we have our updated image, which is here. So let's now send this off to PickFu for a poll and yeah, see what the public thinks. Okay, let's send version, concept 1. Send concept 1 plus the original off to PickFu for poll using the PickFu skill. And here we go, launching a PickFu head-to-head poll. Okay, our poll is live. Let's check it out. We have these two going head to head. We're looking for 15 responses. And yeah, let's give it a few minutes. I'll give it a refresh to see if anyone's come in 5 seconds, but no, not yet. All right, we're back to you in about 15 minutes. Okay, a few minutes have passed, so let's check out how our poll is doing. And we have a winner. So yeah, this is pretty cool. Like PickFu shows you everything to do with who your demographic is, why they voted, what their comments are, and in the grand scheme of launching a product you're going to spend thousands of dollars on, being able to test the first touch point you have with your customers very simply like this is incredible. So yeah, and if you wanted to, you could also just ask Jarvio, check how that poll is doing, and it will also summarize all the data for you as per the skill. So concept 1 is crushing it, 12 votes to 1, still 2 votes incoming. Here's the key themes. So gummies shown outside the package are a nice visual touch since they look soft and chewy in person. Option A looks way too plain. Demographic breakdown. And yeah, we now have this skill saved in Jarvio, so anyone who loves PickFu and is using Jarvio, try it out. This is super cool. Thank you, PickFu, for building an unbelievable product. And yeah, that is the end of my little video. Hope you're enjoying these.